Just after 10 a.m., a uniformed officer working an off-duty job was flagged down by a citizen who said someone had just pointed a gun at him. The citizen pointed out the armed man, later identified as 31-year-old Reginald Davis. The off-duty officer called for assistance from other officers. As the officer was waiting for backup officers to arrive, suspect Davis fired off a shot.
Hey, he just shot off a round.
Suspect Davis walked to a business parking lot near Northwest 3rd Street and Pennsylvania Avenue, with the off-duty officer following on foot. Officers, including crisis intervention team officers, spent several minutes attempting to de-escalate suspect Davis. He did not respond to the officer's commands to drop the pistol, which was in his hoodie pocket. Suspect Davis shouted obscenities at the officers during the de-escalation attempts and repeatedly made references that he was not going back to prison.
Hey! What's your name, bud? What's your name, bud? We do not want to hurt you.
It's in his hand. It's in his hand. See, he's moving it back and forth. Hey, it's in his right hand.
I got something for you, mother.
Don't do it. Do not do it, man. We do not want to hurt you, okay? I mean, either He's got the gun in his right hand, but it's in. See, it's a long barrel. It's sticking out the.
Know how you is, motherfucker.
We don't want to shoot you, okay?
Officers decided to use less than lethal force by utilizing a beanbag shotgun. When suspect Davis was struck by the beanbag, he grabbed his pistol, raised it, and pointed it at numerous officers. This caused several officers to discharge their firearms, striking suspect Davis.
Hey, put your hands up and turn around. Put your hands up and turn around.
I'm not going back, bro.
All right. I want to get up on these guys. Hey,
keep your hands.
Hey, calm down, man. I'm gonna go
We're not here to hurt you, okay?
Beanbag, beanbag, beanbag. Get on the ground.
I can't see him. I can't see him. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him.
I can't see him. Is he in front of the Dodge or what? Back up, back up, back up. He's in between the two vans. Hey, put your hands up and turn around. Put your hands up and turn around. Stay in line, stay in line, stay in line.
I'm not going back, bro. I'm not going back.
Hey, keep your hands. Watch his hands. Hey, calm down, man. We're not here to hurt you, okay? Beanbag, beanbag, beanbag. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. 18, shots fired, shots fired. I can't see him, I can't see him. Watch him, watch him, watch him. I can't see him. Is he from the Dodge or what? Back up, back up, back up. He's in between the two vans. Hey, put your hands up. Put your hands up and turn around.
I'm not going back, bro. I'm not going back.
Hey, keep your hands. Watch his hands. Hey, calm down, man. We're not here to hurt you, okay? Beanbag, beanbag, beanbag. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Shots fired, shots fired. I can't see him, I can't see him. Watch him, watch him, watch him. I can't see him. Back up, back up, back up. Hey, put your hands up, turn around.
Hey, stop!
Don't do it.
Don't do it, man.
Don't do it.
Hey, hey, come on, man. Let's talk, dude. Hey, hey, no.
No.
Don't put it in there, man.
The suspect was transported to an area hospital where he was treated and released for gunshot wounds. While being treated at the local hospital, he attempted to escape from the officers by running out of the hospital, but was quickly taken into custody.
Here, it's in the bag. I got the gun.